Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. We are back again with a special recipe of green chicken grill. It's very simple and easy and it's really delicious. Grilling produces bolder flavor and allows fat to drip off the meat, reducing its calorie count, which makes this healthier to eat. This healthy cooking method helps to reduce cardiovascular diseases and other heart diseases when compared to frying methods. The ingredients are chili, ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, pudina or mint leaves, 1 cup of curd, little turmeric powder and salt to taste. Here we have to marinate the chicken with these ingredients and it has to be kept for at least 2 hours before grilling. Coming to the end portion of this video, I'll be showing you how to fry this marinated chicken. But once again, I'm reminding you, grilling is more healthier than frying. Now, into the chicken pieces, add the coriander and mint leaves which are grinded. Ginger and garlic paste, which are both used to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Green chili paste, add according to your taste. Salt and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has various health benefits and it is a natural antiseptic. Curd. It is a great meat tenderizer. When curd is used for marination, it helps the chicken or meat to cook faster and makes it tender. Chilies are the life and soul of a hearty Indian meal. You don't necessarily have to overdo it until smoke comes out of your ears, but without a touch of chili, dishes seem incomplete. Coriander leaves and mint leaves have got multiple health benefits. Coriander is especially good in digestion problems and also helps in weight loss, while mint leaves helps in easing stomach problems, calming stress and anxiety and promoting restless sleep. Lemon juice or vinegar helps to break down the raw chicken, allowing the spices to penetrate deep into the chicken and infuse the chicken with flavor and moisture. Add more salt if needed. For those who do not like the smell of raw coriander and mint leaves, you can soak this marinated chicken for 1 minute or so, or else marinate the grinded leaves. After that, keep this marinated chicken closed for 2 to 3 hours before grilling. Now our marinated chicken is ready to be grilled. Arrange it on the rack as shown here. Grill this for 35 to 45 minutes or till it's cooked. After 10 or 15 minutes, just take it out from the grill oven and flip the other side down and keep it back for grilling till it gets cooked. The grilling temperature will vary according to the oven used. You can grill using charcoal, gas or electric oven. I used gas and electric oven and both came out really delicious. See, here comes our green chicken grill. It is good with homemade paratha. It's really delicious. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, here I am showing you how it can also be shallow fried. Into a pan, pour oil and let it boil. Then add the marinated chicken into it and fry it in medium flame. It may take 10 minutes or so to fry it. Flip the other side down. Once it's golden brown, take it out into a kitchen tissue to remove the excess oil. Serve this hot. These are really healthy ingredients, don't miss it. This green chicken grill is really good combination with chapati, roti or paratha. Try this and give us your feedbacks. I'm sure you will all love it. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.